Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add electric eyes effect on CapCut apps. This is the newest effect on CapCut. So let's get started. First, open your CapCut and then click a new project and add the video that you want to edit. This one, click add at the bottom. Now in this video I wanna add electric eyes effect, so you just click on the effect at the bottom, this one, click on it, and then in here you can click on the body effect, and at the menu you can click on the headwear, this one, click on it, and in here you can see electric eyes effect, this one. This is the newest effect on CapCut, so just click on it and then click check icon in here. And after this you can adjust the effect, so just click on the adjust at the bottom, this one, click on it. You can adjust for the color and then for the range, for the intensity, and then for the filter, like this. After this you can click check icon at the bottom, and now set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add electric eyes effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.